Namaste my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for class 4 maths chapter number 2 addition and subtraction. And this is 6th session on this chapter. Today let us continue our discussion of exercise 2b and let us solve application based question in today's session. Application based questions, question number 3 in exercise 2b. Fill in the blanks. A. 200 less than 1,02,020. So to find this we have to subtract 200 from 1,02,020. Let us subtract now. A 1,02,020 1 0 2 0 2 0 minus 200 2 0 0. Subtract now. 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. So to subtract 2 from 0, we need to regroup here. Let us make this 2 in thousands place 1,000, and now this will become 10 hundreds. Subtracting 2 hundreds from 10 hundreds, you will get 8 hundreds. Here we have 1 0 1. So we get 1,01,820. So you should write here 1,01,820 as the answer. Now coming to B, 1,000 subtracted from 55,500 is. So we have to subtract 1,000 from 55,500. So I think we no need to subtract this. Directly we can write that on subtracting 1,000 from 55,500, we will get 54,500 because we are subtracting 1,000 from that. Let us check, let us verify that. B. So first let us write down 55,500. 55,500, and we should subtract 1,000 from that. So minus 1,000, 1 0 0 0. Subtract now. Subtracting 0 from 0 you get 0. Here too you get 0. Subtracting 0 from 5 you get 5. And subtracting 1 from 5 you get 4. And subtracting 0 here. We don't have any digit here. That means it is to be treated as 0. Subtracting 0 from 5 you get 5. So you get 54,500. So since the number names are given here, we have to write the answer in number name. Here I don't have sufficient space to write the number name, so I will write 54,500. You should know that the way of answering when the question is given in number name, we also should write the answer in number name in words. 54,500 should be written in words. Here I don't have sufficient space, so I am writing in numeral. So it should be 54,500 is the answer. Coming to C, 51,078 minus 100. Subtract 100 from 51,078. C, write down 51,078 and subtract 100 from this. 8, 7. Here subtracting 1 from 0 is not possible. We will regroup. So we will make it 10 hundreds. Subtracting 100 from 1000, you will get 9 hundreds. So this will be 0 and this will be 5. So 50,978 is the answer for this. So 50,978. D. The greatest 5-digit number subtracted from the smallest 6-digit number is. See here, which is the greatest 5-digit number? The greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. D. The greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. And the smallest 6-digit number, is 1 lakh. 100,000. This is the smallest 6-digit number. And what you get if you subtract 99,999 from 1 lakh? So 1 lakh is just 1 more than 99,999. That is, if you add 1 to it plus 1, you will get 1 lakh. Therefore, if you subtract 99,999 from lakh, you will get 1. 1 as the answer. So therefore, you should write is 1. So this is how you should answer these questions. Question number 4. A town has 3,45,321 voters. In an election, 2,40,316 people voted. How many people did not vote? That means there are 3,45,321 voters. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಪಟ್ಟಣದಲ್ಲಿ 3,45,321 ವೋಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ವೋಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮತದಾರರು, ಯಾರು ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೋ 18 years ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಬೋ ಇರೋವಂಥವ್ರು, ಅವರು ದೇ ಆರ್ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ವೋಟಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ 3,45,321 ವೋಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ 2,40,316 ಪೀಪಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ವೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ವೋಟನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಮತ ಚಲಾಯಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವರು ವೋಟನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವೀಗೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ವೋಟನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೋಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವೀಗ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಅದು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ? ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವೋಟರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ವೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೋ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೆಷ್ಟು ಜನ ವೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ನಾವೀಗ. ಸೊ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. The total number of voters, so there are 3,45,321 voters are there. So the number of people who has voted is 2,40,316. 40,316. To find number of people who have not voted, we have to subtract. Yes. So for subtracting 6 from 1, we need to regroup. Let us make it 1, and now it will become 11 ones. Subtracting 6 ones from 11 ones, you will get 5 ones. 5. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 4 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. So that means 1,05,005 people were not voted. So you should write the 1,05,005 people did not vote. Now let us move to the next question. Question number 5. A truck covered 12,185 kilometers in January. The same truck traveled 9,084 kilometers in February. In which month did the truck travel more and by how much? So here there is a truck. Look at the picture. So a truck covered 12,185 kilometers in January. The distance covered by the truck in 2 months, January and February, are given here. And we need to find the month in which the truck traveled more distance, and also we should find how much distance more it covered and in which of the months given here. So looking at the numbers, we can say that the truck covered more distance in the month of January, because here we have 12,185 kilometers. Here we have 9,084 kilometers. So 12, this is the 5-digit number and this is 4-digit number. Therefore, 5-digit number is always more than 4-digit number. So the truck covered more distance in the month of January. And to find how much more, we have to subtract the distance covered by the truck in the month of February from the distance covered by the truck in the month of January. Let us do that now. So as 12,185 is greater than 9,084, the truck traveled more in the month of January. So to find how much more, we have to subtract 9,084 from 12,185. So let us do that now. 12,185 minus 9,084. Subtracting 4 from 5, you get 1. 8 minus 8 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 2 minus 9 is not possible. We need to regroup, making this 12. 12 minus 9, you get 3. So the truck traveled 3,101 kilometer more in the month of January. So The truck traveled 3,101 kilometer more. Now let us move to the next question. Question number 6. There are rupees 1,15,785 in Jenny's account. She leaves 54,898 rupees in her account and withdraws the rest. What amount did she withdraw? So in Jenny's bank account, she has 1,15,785 rupees. So she withdraws some amount from the account, and after withdrawal, in her account 54,898 rupees was left, and we should find what was the amount drawn by her by subtracting the amount left in her account and initially how much amount she has in her account. So we will subtract 1,15,785 minus 54,898. So subtracting 8 from 5 is not possible. We need to regroup, make this 7, and this will become 15 ones. Subtracting 8 ones from 15 ones, you get 7 ones. And for subtracting 9 from 7, you need to regroup again. This will become 6. You make this 17. And subtracting 9 from 17, you get 8. And again, you make this 4. And this will become 16. Subtract 8 from 16, you get 8. And subtracting 4 from 4, you get 0. Subtracting 5 from 1 is not possible, you need to regroup again. So this will become 0, and you make this 11. Subtracting 5 from 11, you get 6. So Jenny draws rupees 60,887. So Jenny withdraws rupees 60,887 from her account. Question number 7. Mr. Roy had rupees 5,92,987. He gave rupees 2,39,999 to his son and the rest to his wife. What amount did he give his wife? So Mr. Roy had 5,92,987 rupees with him, and he gave 2,39,999 rupees to his son and remaining amount to his wife. So we have to find what was the amount given by Mr. Roy to his wife. So again, by subtracting the amount given to his son from the amount Mr. Roy had. Let us do that now. So let us write down the numbers. So 5,92,987 minus 2,39,999. So here subtracting 9 from 7 is not possible. We need to regroup, make this 7, and now this will become 17 ones. Subtracting 9 ones from 17 ones, you get 8 ones. And subtracting 9 tens from 7 tens is not possible. We need to regroup. This will become 8 hundreds, and we borrow 100 to the tens place. It will be 10 tens. With the 7 tens, it will become 17 tens. And now subtracting 9 tens from 17 tens, you get 8 tens. And again we need to regroup. So this will become 1 or 1000. 1000 is borrowed to hundreds place. It will be 10 hundreds. 8 hundreds plus 10 hundreds becomes 18 hundreds. Subtracting 9 hundreds from 18 hundreds, you get 9 hundreds. And subtracting 9 thousands from 1 thousands is not possible. So we will regroup this 9 ten thousands as 8 ten thousands, and we bring 1 10,000 to the thousands place. It will become 11,000. Now subtracting 9,000 from 11,000, you get 2,000s. Now subtracting 3 10,000s from 8 10,000s, you get 5 10,000s. And subtracting 2 lakhs from 5 lakhs, you get 3 lakhs. So Mr. Roy gave 3,52,988 rupees to his wife. So Mr. Roy gave rupees 3,52,988 to his wife. So this is how you should solve the word problems. Question number 8. The sum of two numbers is 9,24,013. If one of the numbers is 38,756, find the other number. So sum of two numbers is given, and one of those two numbers is also given. We have to find the other number. So again, this is a subtraction problem. So 9,24,013 minus 38,756. Subtract now. So for subtracting 6 from 3, we need to regroup. We make 0, and this will be 13. Subtracting 6 from 13, you get 7. And for subtracting 5 from 0 is not possible. You need to regroup from this digit. This will become 3, and this 0 will become 10. Again, to borrow to the tens place, we make this 9, and this becomes 10 now. Subtracting 5 from 10, you get 5, and subtracting 7 from 9, you get 2. For subtracting 8 from 13, you need to regroup, make this 1. This will be 13. Now subtracting 8 from 13, you get 5. So again, to subtract 3 from 1, you need to regroup. You will make this 8, and this will be 11. Subtracting 3 from 11, you get 8. This will be 8. So the other number is 8,85,257. So the other number is 8,85,257. I hope you understood the way of solving the word problems. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye children.